Y'all know in the movie Mean Girls when she like goes like this, she's like, there's like a 90% chance it's raining right now. If I wash my hair and I do my everything shower and I wash it, I put the mask in, I do everything I'm supposed to do, there is 100% chance it's gonna rain that day. 100% chance! It doesn't fail. Every time. Every time. I just washed my hair. I just put all this creamy whatever. I need a snack. I need a snack. That's really good. Wait. Oh, it's a trail mix bar, but then you look at the ingredients and it's like the same caloric intake and sugars as a Snickers. I'm not mad. I deserve it. Wow. This is really good. Y'all hear that? Oh, I should have brought a water.